do a final unboxing video, and it's going to be a two for one special this time. This is my last term at SDI, so I want to go ahead and just do both of these real quick. We'll start with this one. This is going to be, I believe this is going to be the checkering lab. So if you look, they gave us that block of wood that's right there. So yeah, not great, but hey, you know, it's fine. It looks very pretty. Let's see what we got in here. We've got our guide for how we're going to checker. We've got the checkering tools right here. Looks like we've got the standard checkering textbook. We're about to find. I want to front. Looks like yep, that's our standard checkering book. And let's see. Checkering tools, replaceable heads. Looks like I've got all of those. Yep. Woodstock blank checkering gauge and the 214 lab book. And this is hand packed by GOR. Thank you, GOR. Now, not that checkering's not going to be fun and it's not going to be super awesome, but you know, the meat and potatoes of this is going to be the final class. And for me, I personally chose the 1911 elective. So here we have, and this is really pretty. So I've gone ahead and put this into my A&D book. Heads up, I'm actually already a gunsmith, and so like I got this delivered to me, so this is why it's got a tag on it. It's delivered straight to me. But man, this is a cool looking 1911, ain't it? It's got all the good bits and bobs. You got your lock, but you got to say that lock is not going to do jack. So just teases, come on, do something better with that. I know it's the bare minimum, but do better. We've got additional grips, plastic grips. Got an additional magazine. There's two. It came with two. All the cleaning bits and bobs, and of course the documentation that's up in there. Now, what else came with it was this whole bunch of stuff for this lab. You know, we've got snap caps here, which is going to be super awesome. And I'm going to try to read this off as best I can. We've got some go, no-go gauges right here. Stone Hardhead Arkansas, which I think is this right here. It's a stone. That's for sanding and polishing. I think this is the track stone. Is it the track stone? Yep, that's the track stone. And then that polishing solution flits that really good stuff. Let's see, rubber polishing point. I'm guessing, yep, that's our rubber polishing point right there. What else? Polishing buffing wheel set. All these bad boys right here, man. These are going to be so helpful. This has been really helpful when I was building a 308 a few weeks ago. Again, I already said the dummy rounds or the snap caps. Fixed cleaning rod. So here's our cleaning rod right here. Ultra Jag set. Let's see, smart wrench. That's going to be super handy. I was about to order one, but thank God they sent one. If you're in this class, don't order this. It's coming. And then we've got the universal bench block. Gotta say, this would have been nice to have, so I didn't have to buy one or use my, you know, fancy dancy tape roll. But this would have been super helpful at the beginning. So SDI, if you're listening, please think about sending this earlier in the course because this would have been super helpful just as a matter of course. And then of course we have our nice little pencil, which is going to be awesome to, you know, mark stuff and do stuff. So I think that's it. And this is what we got. And this was all carefully packed by Tyrese J. That's a first one for me. Thank you, Tyrese. So this has been our unboxing for the 1911 class. I am super excited about this. This is going to be fun. This is one I've been looking forward to. I originally decided to do the AR-15 class, but I was like, you know what? Let me stretch myself a little bit. And again, if you're watching this, again, this is my choice to do this. You know, if you think it's a good idea to try it, to stretch yourself, go for it. But, you know, this is my choice to do 1911. And yeah, I'm really excited and I look forward to putting stuff out. Thanks for watching.